Hello guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix RedNote not sending verification code. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're having problems with your RedNote app here and you're not receiving any verification code here, there's something that you could do. So first things first is you want to verify a few things here. So first, verify that you've entered the correct mobile number whenever you're asking for a verification code. Sometimes you might have incorrectly pressed a different button. So in this case, just make sure your number is correct. But if you're sure, again, the next thing you could do here is check a few things. So first is you want to make sure that you have the latest version of the app. So you want to go ahead and open up Google Play Store here, search for RedNote, and if you do see any update button, go ahead and click on it and basically update your app here. Once you've done that, go ahead and restart your device and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing you want to do is you want to clear your cache. So you want to look for the RedNote app here, press and hold on it, click on the eye icon, and you want to go and click on clear data at the bottom right of your screen. Now, by the way, it might not, so I'm just going to, I just recently cleared my cache. So just to give you a better look at it, let's go and press and hold on it, click on eye, click on clear data, bottom right here, and click on clear cache, and okay. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and open up the RedNote app here and see if that solves the issue. And finally, if that does solve your issue, the actual problem might be your device. So I would recommend you to basically switch to a different connection. So maybe try clicking on the airplane mode here. Click on it. This will disable any connection that is going to and from on your device, and actually resets a bit of on your about your connection, especially your network connection. But yeah, once you've done that and turned off airplane mode here, go to a place that has good signal strength. So mine is really poor right now, so you might want to go to a window or even a door and see if you receive that verification code. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to App. Thank you for watching.